MRT project is totally different experience because the first year they not impose any stringent safety requirement, but
Mm-hmm.
after that 1 year, then MRT scope is involved. Before that is rapid. When
Ah,
it did not
I
quickly,
see.
right? Yeah. So MRT code, most of them is come from MRT from Singapore team.
Ah, no wonder. Okay.
Then they started to impose all the safety requirement. So
I
everyone become very shocked with the new culture on the safety,
oh,
and management also need to spend a lot of money to get all the safety requirement facilities.
oh my gosh. Okay.
And then, yeah, and for us at that time, our work becomes slower because
Oh,
we have to do step by step.
okay.
Imagine we need to do the lifting. So every lifting you have the lifting permit. That one very different, right? Then the lifting permit only can be signed by the top authority for the site.
Oh
So
my.
everything is new for us at that time. That one is 2012, around that
Okay,
time.
2012, all right. Okay.
So but along the time, sometimes the standard a bit lower, but sometimes for some reason the safety awareness is lower back because everyone trying to catch up with the progress.
Ah, I see. So
And
that
then,
is the challenges, right?
correct,
It's
correct.
the challenges when because the firstly the transition, okay, before the stringent safety, actually if they already get used to it, actually it will accelerate the production. Actually, actually. If
Correct.
I'm not sure. Because
Yes.
if everyone already in order, in pace and everything, actually it can be in order. I mean, the
The
progress might be slower, but it will reduce, I think, the what they call in terms of uh production quality. I
for the
no
first 2 years, I think it's more to the what we try to
produce.
give the awareness to the old timer. You know,
Oh, okay.
cost construction a lot of old timer, right? So
Mm,
some of them is take some time to understand why they need to do this and
okay.
why they need to spend
Wonder.
on this. Yeah, and then a lot of paperwork need to comply. So they will be challenged to some level. But for us that new engineer, we can follow, but at the same time it quite challenging lah for
So
us.
the project is it delay?
At first delay, yes. The
And then
first, yeah, delay a lot and it cost because delay mean less money, right, for the construction. So it will be very difficult for the management also because they need the money to run
so
the project. Yeah. So after, I think after 3 years, everyone aware on the requirement because everything have a template that everyone can follow.
mm,
And then at that time, they impose the safety audit every month.
every
And
month.
yes, every month safety audit. And whoever got that number three from the bottom will be penalized. So it's very stressful at that time because we working 24 hours with the
Oh
very
my.
stringent safety requirement.
How's your contract? I mean your company. You managed to get pass on the audit?
Normally we got the pass mark, but
Oh,
every time we have a different set of activity like after the maybe after the backfilling or excavation work, we have the structural work. So
uh-huh.
transition will challenge the site situation and everybody because we have to
Mm,
change certain item to comply with the current activity, right?
true.
So
Okay. So it's not similar. It's totally different things you have to handle. Yeah.
different,
Right.
very different, yeah.
Okay, okay. But it's a good experience, right?
Very
And
good.
how about the numbers of accidents? No or zero?
They have accident, of course.
Okay.
Mm.
But
Um,
how
but
many times like
for my side in Pasar Seni at that time, I have less than 5 actually.
mm,
Uh, but it's happened because every time new contractor coming, the new guy will be new.
different?
Yeah, they're not familiar with the situation on site.
Oh, I see. No wonder. That is a challenge. Okay, okay, good. Good to know. And yeah, it's a very good experience, I believe. Okay, you may share in the forum later on. Okay, I want to know also, in the perspective, like you said, safety can reduce the what they call progress. The site progress.
Of course, because they have a lot of step need to follow, right? But for the overall progress, I think it's
Benefit.
safer and yeah,
Benefit,
it's
right?
safer and better for everyone. Yes, yes. Yes.
For the human being. Okay. All right. Thank you, Anwar, for your sharing. Okay. Take note, there is a reality what happened. And people sometimes doubt, I mean the company or the project sometimes have doubt to comply the safety because of the issues. It can make a slower progress. But I will share later on what happened based on my experience also when I visited different site, okay, with different safety practice. Okay. All right. Okay. So next. Okay. So we go for the construction site and safety management. Okay. Please raise your hand. Is it similar or different? Construction site management, construction safety management versus construction safety management. Raise your hand, those who are said it's totally different. Raise your hand. Nobody, okay? Andy, only one. So the rest said similar. Construction site management versus construction safety management. Those who are raise your hand, meaning you said totally different. Okay? Okay, two of you. Only two of you, eh? So the rest agree is similar, eh? Okay, so the answer is totally
Mm.
different. Okay? Yeah, okay, good. Fatia and Andy, it's totally different. Okay? But, okay, but of course it's in one place. But it's totally different. Why? Because construction site management, you are focusing on your production, your activity, your working activity, your catching up with the deadline, so on. And that's why when Anwar mentioned about it can slower the progress, yes, because it's totally different. You are handling the human behavior and also the nature of the work. The construction safety management is only focused on how you manage the safety at site. Okay? Clear or not?
Clear, clear.
Yeah, huh? You only focus on safety. That's why at the construction site, you have safety officer. Those as project, it depends on the country. I don't know other countries, but in Malaysia, there must be more than 20 million above. You must have a safety and health officer.
Inspector.
Is mandatory. If you don't have this competent person at site, then you'll be penalized by Department of Occupational Safety and Health in Malaysia. Okay, DOSH, we call, or JKKP in Malay. Okay, so yes, that's why I want you to understand first, okay, the concept. But don't misunderstand. Actually, they are integrate. Okay, they have to blend each other in order to make sure the construction site is safe. If you have a good construction safety management, your construction site will be
Good.
Good. Safer. Is it good? But based on Anwar, they said slower. So it's not good in terms of the productivity. Okay, but maybe because of that time it's just first time for the project. Okay, but for example, if the project is huge and it takes like to until 5 years, you imagine, to be completed. So actually the process, the transition is only for the short time to be implemented, and then the whole progress will be smooth. You will be hard at the planning stage. It will be hard. So it seems like everything, your study, your work, or your life, if you plan, it's very hard at the first. But after that, it will be smooth. Okay? So the same. If you have no planning, even more worse. Even more worse. So you'll be like Hawaii and so on. Okay. So I've seen this kind of what they call a project. Okay, I want to share with you during my data collection for my PhD. I did a survey. Okay, the questionnaire I have to ask the safety personnel and so on. When I ask through email, there is less response. Okay, so we need to go to the site. So I have to visit many projects, site projects, in order for me to get the data, to get the survey. So I visited a few site project. Some project, okay, the same, I can say almost similar, which is high-rise building. Okay, so when I visited some site, it's quite messy. When you enter, you will feel it. You enter the project, you will see, you will have a judgment. Oh, it's a very bad safety manager. It's a very bad safety management. You will feel it because you feel unsafe when you enter that project. But when you visit another site, the same size, I can say the same like kind high-rise project, high-rise building project, because in Malaysia we have so many development of high-rise building at that time during 2000, my survey 2014. So now until now also we still ongoing on the high-rise building, right? So at that time also we have a lot construction. So I went in Kuala Lumpur, I went in Klang Valley, I went in Johor. Okay, so I visited site. There is clean. You have a what? You feel like how you imagine construction site is quite messy, right? With the materials and so on. But how they can manage it in a proper layout. So when you enter, there is a for the visitor walkway, or maybe for the other person to, I mean the people to walk properly. Okay, and there is segregate all the materials very well. So you will see, oh, this one, a lot of work for the safety manager to make it to make it that way. Okay, and you have a proper signage. You can feel it. So I just wonder how the management, because everything is about management. If you get the right person who can in charge the project very well, everything will be fine. So it depends on that person. It depends on that leader. I mean, the leader means the safety officer. Okay, we are talking about the safety. Okay, and also about the site, they must have a good project manager also, which cooperate with the safety officer. They must be aligned. If they are not aligned, I don't think it can be works. Okay, it's difficult. They must be the same wavelength. Okay, so when I visited those project that I see the practice, the safety practice they impose at the site, which is clean and also neat, tidy. They are practicing housekeeping very, very well. Only housekeeping, very simple task. If you practice housekeeping, easy. Settle. There's the issue, solve problem. That's it. Housekeeping. But there is many strategy, okay, in housekeeping and so on. So yeah, there is one of the, I think, culture, I think, at the site that the project construction site need to do. Okay, housekeeping. Only that the different I can see. Little one. Okay. All right. So there is a different construction site management. Like I said, they are focusing on the production. Okay, clear? Eh? So meaning they have the if you know about S-curve, I believe everyone have the project planning, the S-curve graph. Okay, the construction site management only focus on to be online with the S-curve. To be close with the S-curve. But the construction safety management don't care. What they care? There is no accidents. There is no near miss accident. There is no it's all about accident. Okay. Okay. There is no what report or any disease or what everything about safety. Okay. That's only their focus. And they have to comply the requirement by DOSH or Act, okay, which is they have to have the safety practice, the safety program, the implementation. Okay, you will see later on what kind of safety practice that we need to do, okay, for the construction especially. Okay, so this one we talk about the construction. There is many other industry. Okay. All right. Clear, eh? So different. Okay. Okay. So this topic is for our course. Okay. So we have total 8 topic. I just want to brief you a bit about the whole topics that we need to cover for our master class, okay, ECM744. Okay, today, this week, okay, I will cover for the topic 1. I want to get the point of view, okay, that everyone understand our nature, our industry, okay. That is the basic thing, so that you will think more, okay, in preparing your presentation to understand each topic for each group. Okay. Okay. And then topic 2. Which group will present it next week?
Group 1.
Who is the group 1? You. You and the team. Okay. All right. Okay. Easy peasy. Okay. I give easy peasy one. Okay. Okay. When you look at the construction site preparation and organization, I'm worried that you misunderstand about organization. What do you think about the organization? Any one of your team members can brief to me? What is the organization?
Sorry, doctor. Well, my group will present next week, but we on the topic OSHA actually.
Oh, okay.
Sorry. Yeah.
So it's not. Okay. So who is the topic 2? Topic 2, not
Hey,
next week.
Dr.
Okay.
Nick,
Huh? You topic 2?
topic 2.
Oh,
Yes,
okay. Yeah, I give easy peasy. I give a
Yeah.
hard one to Anwar group. I remember.
yes, it's a big challenge for me, but I have determination to complete.
No, it's not hard topic. That one for you is very easy. Who is your team members?
Just a little tough, but I have determination to finish it.
Oh, okay. Who's the team with Harry?
Yes.
Who's that?
Saya
Diana.
Danish.
Fariha?
Danish.
Okay. So, any one of you, can you brief to me? Do you understand about organization? Here, you need to brief about types of construction site. Okay. Site preparation and control. Site organization and setting out for construction. Site management.
Yes, I
Okay.
see, Doctor. 3 days ago, we have established the group 3, and next week, we will hold a meeting for our topic 2.
Oh, okay. Yeah, it's okay. So I just want to ask individually. Okay, it's okay. So I just want to get your understanding so that you are covered that topic properly. Okay. So organization. Any one of your team want to tell me what is the organization?
Doctor, may I have a question about
Yes.
topic 2?
Yes.
Can I add some element from Chinese construction site
Yeah.
add in my topic?
Yeah. No worries.
Thank
Yeah.
you.
Can,
see.
sure. Feel free. Everyone will learn. Okay, no worries. Feel free. It's
I'm
open.
I'm afraid that the Chinese construction site is not suitable the Malaysia
Oh.
university construction site
Oh.
course. So I want to know the doubt.
Okay. All right. Okay. Danish. What is the organization? Site organization. Hurry up. I just want a little bit brief. A site organization, is it about managing? Organizing? Is it like that?
Yeah, maybe like safety committee.
Mm,
No.
okay, yes. Safety committee, one of the organization. Yes. Okay, and then what else? You must, it's something like that. Yes, true. And then you must present, I mean your group must show the common site organization chart. You know, the site organization, they have what? Project manager, and then
Ochat.
level, what's that? The engineer, site engineer, or safety officer, and then they have another team like he said, the safety committee. Okay. Then it must be in site organization. Okay, that is what about the organization. Okay, because some of the group they confuse. They thought it's about organizing. It's about the managing. Okay, the site to organize. No, it's not. Okay, you yes, but it's in another term. Okay. So this one you must explain the common one. Okay, basic to have for the site organization. Okay, clear, Danish? You
Clear, doctor.
can brief to your team member later on. Okay, I think the rest are very straightforward. The sub point. Okay, topic 3. Which group? Construction material management and wastage control. Andy, groups. Okay.
Group 1.
I think this one, the topic is a very easy. Okay, Sabrina. All right. So you must explain about principle of material wastage management, types of construction waste, okay, waste reduction and prevention. Okay, whatever construction waste management or construction material management at the site, then you can share. Okay. That one clear, I think. Oh, sorry. We're back. Okay, topic 4, quality management and assessment in construction site. So I think all group we have, whose group? Sabrina? Just now is Sabrina. Different Sabrina.
No.
And then? Just now you raise your hand for topic 3. So who's the topic 4? Okay. For the quality management.
6.
Topic 4, okay, basically as you know, at the construction site, very particular on the quality. This one of the main what they call clients spec. If you want to fulfill, the project will be delivered I mean very good, so you must comply with the quality. Okay, so there you have to discuss on quality management and assessment for the construction. what has been practiced, okay, and the quality standard that usually being applied for the construction works, okay, whatever is it, and the quality assessment and scores that probably in Malaysia we do have it. Okay, try to figure it out. All right, there is some practice. Maybe you can include the CIDB approach, CIDB practice. Okay, what they call?
Accuracy.
Yes, QLSA. Okay, so you can present that one also, or they have other practice also, because some company also maybe different project, they have their own quality assessment and scores. You may share. If don't have, it's okay. Whatever you have found out. Okay, clear? Yeah. All right, topic 5. OSHA. This is the key for the legislation here. Okay, so this one Group Anwar, is it?
Yes.
Luckily I give to the right person, because you know safety very well. So you can brief to your team members, okay? So you have to touch on the construction safety and health regulation. Okay, the key is like this. OSHA is a very huge, many sections. What I want your team to express from this act is just a section related to the construction.
Okay.
There is a few section that which is covered for overall industry that you have to highlight, which is, for example, like the employer and employee responsibility duty and so on. Okay, there is a specific section. Okay, that one cover, and also there is a section mentioned about SHO, for example. Okay, any kind of section that you think is related to the construction industry, please highlight that one. So not all. Okay, there's so many. So you won't cover all. So maybe you just highlight key section. Okay. All right, clear?
Okay.
And then you cover this topic that highlight in OSHA also, like they talk about the safe working environment. They have many sections talk about it. Like this one, 5.3, right? And the PPE itself also mentioned in the OSHA. Okay? All right. And other things, okay? Not limit to this. And then you may share how is your company or project comply with OSHA. Okay? Clear?
Okay.
Okay.
Doctor, for the OSHA one, so
Yeah.
means that if like 5 of us, we can explain about our different side,
Yeah.
or we pick one side and then
There is no limit. I said at least one. But if you are very creative, you can make it many in simplest way. You got what I mean? You can share many case study in a very short and brief, and wow. Okay, there is a wow factor like that. Not like one issue of you and then you have to spend 1 hour for explain case study. No, maybe you can brief one case study in 2-3 minutes, and yeah, compile with everyone. Up to you. It's based on your creativity. I like this.
it means that like each person will talk about like all the
No, no, no.
5.1 until
Okay, like
5.5.
this.
No.
Okay. If you look at the rubric, actually the rubric is evaluated individually, which is you must present it, each of you. I have to evaluate your part. For example, you have many parts. Introduction, maybe the content, the case study. Different people will deliver different part. You got what I mean? You have to delegate the works
Correct.
on your team. And maybe you decided, okay, I will talk about introduction. Okay, I will talk about the fundamental. I will talk about the case study. You have 5 members or 4 members, right? So,
Yes.
or you delegate the works.
We did
And
delegate, but the question is whether we can use different site for every topic, subtopic in the OSHA. So,
yes, correct.
Oh.
That's what I mean.
every subtopic, you mean the 5.1, up to you, can. It
no
depends
problem,
on your
right?
creativity, can. No worries. Just feel free, as long as everyone contribute, yes. And the content-wise is up to you how you want to present it, as long as you cover the subtopic. It's okay.
Yes, I
Okay.
mean that like the first topic like construction safety and health
Okay.
regulation, maybe one case study like maybe I will present about that one. And then my reference is my working place lah.
Okay.
And then maybe Anwar will explain about planning of site working
Okay.
environment, but
That's good.
follow his case study lah, means that his site
Oh,
lah, because
okay.
that one so I mean that one.
Interesting. Okay, that's good. None of the group present like that yet. Okay, I would like to see it. It will be interesting. Yeah,
Okay.
good.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, okay.
Because
All
it
right.
shows that you are cover the case study for each subtopic. You have your own based on the project, right? So it's okay. It's good. Yeah. Okay.
Because rather than we pick one project, because like let's say we pick Anwar project, definitely Anwar will be like very well known about his project.
Yeah.
But for
Correct.
us, we only can read the slide, and then that like
Yeah.
we can't explain further to that lah. That's what I
Exactly.
mean.
Okay,
Uh,
that's good.
all
That's
right,
good. Okay. Okay,
all
that's
right. Thank
good.
you, Doctor.
Good. Good approach. Okay. All right. Thank you for that planning. Okay. Okay, it's feel free. Okay. That one also is quite nice. Okay. The way that you try to expose the case study in every subtopic. Okay. All right. Topic 6. FMA. So this one a bit special, FMA. Special why? Because if after this DOSH already presented in the parliament, okay, they want to combine the FMA into
Oh,
only one regulation, which is OSHA.
Nisha.
OSHA amendment, the new one 2023,
Oh,
2020, I think 2023, but I'm not sure when they will be gazetted. Okay, so FMA will be no longer
use.
used as a standalone. Means that
Oh,
they will be amended inside the OSHA amended for amendment the latest one. Yeah. Okay. So I need to revise this actually the topic syllabus,
yeah,
but
Doctor. Same with the previous group. We need to present. Because my previous study took 6.1, 6.2. I think that is an objective for this course. This
oh, okay.
so that's why I think about the building operation and work engineering is so wide.
Okay. Yes, I
Yeah.
know. I understand. True. Because the main thing for the construction in FMA is the BOWAX.
Yeah.
Okay. So you still need to yeah, try to I don't know how to
Okay, we just explain about the building operation work because in the FMA Acts actually we have many regulation.
yes.
So we just present about engineering construction regulation BOEX only, right?
Yeah, focus on that, yes. But
We
if
touch
you
on that.
found out other relevant one, it's okay. Just share.
Um,
As long as
okay.
under FMA, if you can find out. But as you know, in FMA, the focus one is the BOWEX.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Okay. But in BOWEX, like you say, it's a lot, but you might be creative to categorize it or what? Or you
Mm-hmm.
might, I don't know, there is many ways to present it. You know
Yeah.
what I mean? Maybe you can, there is a site work, so you can group all the
Because the previous group the 5.1 is construction safety and health regulation.
mm,
And then in 6.1 also construction safety and health regulation.
mm.
So is it the same?
Yes,
Right?
the same, but the way you present it is
Oh,
doesn't matter. Yeah,
okay.
it doesn't matter.
Is it
Okay,
can we give you doctor for framework first?
okay, no problem.
Oh, okay.
Which week you will present it?
Uh, After Raya.
Oh, okay, still have time. Okay, okay, all right.
Last next time.
Okay. Okay, so but you still have to cover the 6.1, 6.2, but
This one, okay.
depends how you want to present about the regulation in Malaysia, okay?
Okay.
Because maybe you have
Sure.
to highlight the history of the act. Why, how it exists. How's the construction safety and health regulation being imposed in Malaysia?
Oh, okay.
So that's why I need you to go further or go deep about that topic, because sometimes you need to know how it exists. 1967.
Hmm.
What happened? There is much something happened. I
Okay.
want to share, but during that topic lah, not now.
Yeah.
Okay, so if you are not covered, then I have to cover. Something like that.
Okay, okay.
Okay. So whatever you present, I will see the content is being delivered overall or not. If there is missing, that's why I will listen first what you have been done, and then I will lecture after it. Okay. So you will get everything. You will learn from everyone. You will get from info from me. Okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
clear.
Clear. Because maybe the group topic 5, they present the 5.1 in different way.
Hmm.
And your group topic 6, actually your topic is the first
I read a
safety
lot.
law, the safety law happened
Yeah,
in Malaysia because of topic 6.
yeah. I read a
Then
lot
you
about
try.
the FMA and then always touch about OSHA.
Cannot. OSHA is OSHA. It's
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah.
Right.
Okay,
And you
okay.
must understand why factories and machineries act.
Factory is factory and machinery is machinery, right, Doctor?
So I don't know. I don't know. You
Yeah.
have to go and study.
Doctor, under FMA, we
Okay.
have 20 regulation, but for our presentation, we just focus on building operation and work engineering only, right?
I already explained. Hakim know, I think.
Yeah,
Oh,
I
yeah.
already record, Mr. Farid.
Okay, alright. Sebab,
Already record.
okay,
I
nice.
will post to group.
Okay, alright, nice. I have problem with internet.
We will discuss later.
Like I said, you have still to cover that subtopic, but how to cover it, that I want to see. Even though it's the same, right?
Yeah.
It is of course the same because it's about regulation.
Yeah, because they have of own objective, right?
But like I said, look at the history. Okay? Try to dig how the FMA exists. That is the key. If you can present that one, then we just okay, you covered. You don't. So not many group cover that things.
Oh,
Not many. I think none. So I have to brief every time you present that topic. They don't go until that stage. They don't go behind that. Okay.
okay, clear, Doctor.
Okay, clear. And if you know about what I said just now, the situation in Malaysia that they want to no longer use a FMA, okay, you can share also. You try to figure out what happened in the parliament or what, you will share, something like that, okay? It's all about the regulations, the what they call timeline, not timeline. I don't know what they call. The chronology.
Technology.
The chronology, something like that. Many things you can present. I like, okay, later I forgot, so better I talk now. There is one group, I remember, until now I remember. What makes me remember this group, because the group presented, the fact they are searching through journal. The fact. They are using journal, the statistic, and the group tried to relate with that, the case, the topic, if I'm not mistaken, under waste management, I think. So they are using the journal who are study on the types of construction waste, something like that. So they presented they understand the journal, and they try to share what is the finding for that research.
Oh,
There is so many ways. There is one example, okay? It's not necessary for you to use the journal. I just share that can make me remember that group. Something like that. So if you are presented something new, and maybe you use AI or what, I don't know, video, I don't know. Something new, okay? The cloud computing or what, I don't know. So many kind of information you will get. Okay, to share. All right, there is a flexible, no worries.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, topic 7. I have a group, right? I think until 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 group. 7 group, is it? Or 6 group?
6 group only,
Oh,
doctor.
6 group. Okay, 6 group. Yeah. So up until topic 7, right? So construction site safety. Who will present this one? So you understand, construction site safety, they are talking about on-site activity, machineries, equipment, hazard, risk, accident, aside. Which week this one?
Week 7, week 6, brother.
Which week 6?
Week 6.
Week 6, okay, week 6. Now week 2. So after a year, is it?
Yes, on end of
Yes,
April.
end of
Okay.
April.
So
End of
before.
April and
Okay, all right. Okay, yeah. So we understand the regulation first, and then we go into the site. Okay, and then yeah, and then I will brief about high rank. Yeah, the quality last, I think, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, so make sure you cover this one, this up. I think it's very clear. I don't have to explain. Which group,
Group, brother.
Shaharin.
Group 4.
Group brother. Group 4.
Okay.
Azrin.
No question, clear, right? It's good if
So,
you can. It's
so
good
far clear.
if you can. It's good if you can highlight. Okay, hazards that commonly found at site, construction site. Okay. Okay, clear. I will explain also later on a bit overview about all of these topic. Not all, some of it. Okay. Yeah. So you will try to figure it out more. Okay, so topic 8. Hazard identification and risk assessment control of construction site. So this will be your project. Another project, group project. So group presentation is different. And you have another task to submit a report for the group for the project preparation. So this topic will be spent for 2 weeks. The first week I will brief and I will lecture you. Okay, I will guide you how to conduct a high rank, and then your group have to do the report for the high rank. Okay, so any one of you, Hakim, lower your hand.
Sorry.
Okay, any one of you ever experience develop a high rank or prepare a high rank? I rasa ada essay show dalam ni, no? Any essay show in this group? No safety officer? No. So nobody develop a high rank? Oh. How about
No.
few
Anwar?
activity lah.
Yeah,
Highlight for few
I-
activity.
yeah,
Anwar, you done? You have done?
I have done. Yes.
Is it 100% you or you just comply with the working permit?
No, early stage I did involve to create it, the hierarchy. But after that, the safety manager comment on that. Yeah.
Oh, means you have to prepare and then the safety manager feedback.
Nah, the MRT project is different. The role for the safety manager is different because everything need to be done by the operation team. The safety team only advise us. So we need to do it. Submit to them. They will
Submit
check.
to them. So you get approval.
Yes, yes.
Okay, so you have to send to the MRT.
The safety team will send to MRT after we done.
Safety team means from the client.
From our team.
Oh, for your team.
The
Oh,
client.
okay. So the operation people have to prepare,
Yes.
and then you have the like a safety committee or a safety team, or
Yeah.
basically, so they have to review and they
Yeah.
have to submit to the client.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, to get endorsed.
Correct.
Okay, okay, that's good. So you know a bit about HIRAC. So I hope
Uh,
what?
Now we have a lot of engineer at that time, so some
So
senior people more on this lah.
oh, I see. So you just give input like work activities maybe, or
Yeah, some activities, but overall we collect all the information.
I
Yeah.
see. So
So
there is a person in charge in handle HIRAC. Okay. So you part of it. Okay, okay. So after this, you must know how to prepare it. Okay. How they calculate, how they tabulate. Okay. All right. Okay. Good. So we will learn this 1 week. I forgot week. I think before my maternity leave, because I have to give you the idea. I mean, this topic. Very well. Okay. Clear about the topic? No questions? Everyone?
Doctor, for the hierarchy, same group.
Yes. Why? You want new one? You want me to rearrange? Can. I don't
No,
mind.
no, it's okay. No, it's okay. It's good that
Random.
the same group much better because we tried now getting along, getting together, right? So if you like mix
Maintain.
again, then susah.
Maintain. So far, maintain.
Hmm.
Still the same. Okay. Oh, if not, I pening later on. How to mark this one? Oh, this one different team. Yeah, the same. So you can get bonding until the end of the semester. Okay? All right. So what is the current issues? Not really current, okay? Some I've updated, some not. What is the current issues? Have you heard any accident? Which one you want to see first? Can we have a break first? For
Yeah,
for
sure.
the prayer, I want to pray. So maybe what time we have
5
to
minutes.
5
I
minutes?
pray 5 minutes lah.
Right
Oh,
now,
Ambil
doc-
wuduk dah
doctor
5
want to
minit.
pray 10 minutes, 10 minutes.
Okay,
Sorry.
15 minutes.
Doctor want to
15.
pray, right? Oh,
huh.
10 minutes.
Until
10
9:30.
nine
9:30.
okay, 9:30 we come back, okay?
okay.
Oh,
we
okay.
end the class at 11,
And
right?
if
12.
Oh my god.
Wah,
Tomorrow I don't meeting.
Until
want to
sahur.
watch football, doctor.
Until sahur.
Then you ask for 8 p.m., right? So you count 4 hours. Until when?
4,
8.
3.
Eh?
Is it 3 kan?
4.
4 hours.
Until
4
10.
hours. Until 10 lah, doctor.
Okay, it depends. When I deliver, okay, I will make it fast. What time do you want to end? Tell me. Okay, later.
Oh,
Now.
Don't ask. Doctor don't
Now.
don't ask.
Now.
Cannot.
10 or 10:30, right?
Okay,
10:30.
okay. Later.
10:30 lah.
Okay,
Oh,
okay. All right, see you later.
Okay.
Yeah, the
okay.
Eh. Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And welcome back, everyone. Hello.
Hello.
Ah.
Hello, Doctor.
Hello, doctor.
Don't
yeah,
sleep.
begin.
Don't sleep. Don't go sleep yet.
Oh, doctor.
Continue, eh?
Hi, doctor.
Hi. Okay, so get fresh. Get your snacks.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So we continue, eh? We look at what is happening at Malaysian, okay? Everyone know about the Suke project?
Yes.
So what happened? Can we
Reimagine your potential with Celcom Digi.
we have a look, what happened to Suke?
The Sungai Besi Ulu Klang Elevated Expressway, or SUKE,
Can see,
Boleh.
Can,
Okay.
Doctor, can.
is a 4.4-kilometer three-lane highway that runs from Sri Petaling to Ulu Klang. Construction for the highway was approved to commence in 2016. It was scheduled to be completed by 2019. However, the implementation of the project was delayed. The highway is built by Prolintas, a company wholly owned by Promodalan Nasional Berhad. Throughout the construction, many local residents have been protesting about the project due to safety and environmental concerns. Here is a chronology of previous SUKE highway construction mishaps in the past 2 years. On the 16th of August 2019, 3 construction workers, all from China, were injured after a piling steel frame fell on them. A steel beam crashed on the ground on the 20th of June 2020 and narrowly missed a construction worker. On the 6th of July 2020, a beam fell from an elevated position onto the road below, causing traffic diversion. On the 5th of August 2020, a crane toppled over, trapping the crane driver beneath it. On the 19th of September 2020, a concrete slab came loose and fell onto a moving car. Stop work order was subsequently issued.
So what happened?
Kalau satu dah satu neutral.
Okay, wait. So what happened, class? For one project, in the same project, how many accidents happened based on the chronology? They want the one
Many
that,
accidents.
more than 5 accidents for one project. So for your information, Suke is a highway project. Okay. Is already completed, right, everyone?
Yes, completed.
Completed, and during the construction for this project, many accidents happen, and it's not small accident, it's a major accidents, involve public, involve their workers. Okay, so if you look at that just now, okay, it shows even horrific tragedy happened to the public user for the road driver. Okay, the panel is fell down from the top. Imagine it's quite high. The highway is elevated highway. So what do you think about this project based on the chronology? Every year they have event kind of like so sad but it's not good practice actually. So what is your perception on this kind of project? We have many highway project. How about dash project? We have a few, right? Highway project. So is it happen like this? How
No.
about this one? Wait,
The process to recover the body of one of 3 workers killed in Monday's gantry crane collapse incident at the Sungai Besi Ulu Klang
This one
Elevated
is the
Expressway, Suke construction site
main
in Cheras,
accident.
continued today. Kuala Lumpur Fire and Rescue Department Director Nordin Pauzi said firefighters were waiting for the contractor to stabilize the building structure, which is expected to take 7 to 9 hours. He said they are waiting for the contractor to carry out their work before they continue with the recovery process because the beams are heavy. Meanwhile, police were still deployed at the scene to monitor the situation. Chinese nationals Ding Kunfu, Jiang Jimbo, and Mu Tongjian were crushed to death, while a motorist was seriously injured when the gantry crane toppled over at the Suke construction site near Puncak Banyan, Pensiran Alam Damai in Cheras here. 2 of the bodies have been recovered, while that of Mu has yet to be retrieved. The driver, a local man, has been admitted to the Chancellor Tuanku Muhriz Hospital. Suke said in a statement that a detour would be opened while the road at Pensiran Alam Damai was closed following the incident to enable cleanup work to be done at the location from yesterday till Sunday.
Okay. So, any one of you involved with these issues? Have you heard about it before? It's a very trending, viral. About this very what they call this one? The project is like non-stop reporting of accidents. This is
Yeah.
a quite tragic actually, this project, but end up completed with the not good history in terms of the construction safety. It's quite poor safety management actually, especially this one we can say about the client, okay. When we talk about the project safety, always comes for the client effort. Then it will follow the rest actually. Okay, like example just now, your colleague Anwar mentioned about MRT Corp. It came from Singapore, the team who will be advised, I think, for our national project. Usually we will have that kind of first time. Okay, we will bring the outsider to give like best practice. Okay, so the client itself will have the initiative who will like stringent safety at their project. Once they impose the very good policy in safety, for sure top down they will follow. But here we can see the client is not really into the safety. That's why happen like this. If they are into safety, for sure it's not happen, right? Okay, there's many lack of monitoring and so on, enforcement, and yeah, that's what I can say about the Suki. Okay, any feedback, any comment? So many a few. It's about, what is this? Let me check what it's all about. Oh, it's about news. Okay, what happened this one? Gombak building collapse. Reminds industry to put safety first. So building collapse at site. Many a few project I saw these issues. Bukit Bintang, I think there is a issue also about the collapse during temporary structure. So there is a consideration in the temporary structure. How do you want to design also? Not only the permanent structure. Okay, before the permanent structure, the temporary structure, you also have to consider the safety factors. If you neglect this one, this happen. Some of the site, they make it the temporary structure as the storage or material storage. They don't think about the load, heavy load. So it can collapse as well. So this thing, of course, they said safety first. That's it. Nothing else can do. Okay, the planning for the site is very important. It will involve safety, because that's why just now I mentioned about construction site management and also construction safety management. If the construction site ignorance affect the safety. Okay, so the safety team have to work hard to remind the site management or the site team members. They always have to remind, they are the one who have to advise, okay, you have to consider this and that, this and that. They have to cooperate. Okay, otherwise it doesn't work. Okay, and especially the tower crane. Tower crane, right? Right, the tower crane. You lifting materials and so on. Okay, the tower crane, some of the project, they have a few tower crane. Not only one, So can you imagine if they have they use a few tower crane, if they don't consider which tower is must go ahead than the other one, if they are same level, sometimes they can hit. So they have to calculate the diameter, the space, the how much they can go. Sometimes it can hit each other, right? Correct or not? They have an issue. So the safety officer have to advise the site, okay, site team, okay, they said, okay, please, which tower will go first? Which tower will come later? They cannot run concurrently. Okay, or maybe this tower, if they have concurrently, they have to go that side only, cannot go this side, for example. So they won't hit. Okay, sometimes we have limited space. Yes? So they have to think about it up until that stage. So there's so many consideration that need to be take it. Okay? So it's not only one things. So is it easy to be to work at site? But everyone working at site, right?
Yes,
Is it easy?
not easy.
Not easy. I don't know
Not easy, doctor.
Lot
I don't
of
know
challenges.
how the contractor can make money. I don't
Yeah.
know. I don't know.
Sacrifice the safety. Then you can make a lot of money.
Oh, like that. Okay. Not a good practice then. Okay. So what
Because
happened?
actually what I think is actually if you want to like implement the safety, it involving a lot of cost. A lot of cost. That's why a lot of like main con and client itself try to like pick the minimized requirement for all the authority. At least you pass all the authority requirement. But
But this,
when it's
uh,
like no inspection, no the doors not coming, whatever itself, then it's like you close your eyes.
yeah, once
Yeah.
accident happen, then you have to stop work immediately.
Um,
How many
yes.
days you have to close the site? 7 days.
Yes, like
Uh,
what you mentioned just now, like what doctor mentioned just now, like how we like plan for our tower crane itself at site can. Now currently most of I think my company like itself we are using like lifting tower crane because it's easier that you can go up the hand compared to like hammer tower crane
yeah.
because the hammer one you can turn around like left and right and stuff and you cannot like put up your that one lah we try to use that one even though it's slower compared to hammer.
Mm,
Compared to hammer it's like the lifting the tower crane that one tower crane the
correct.
the progress will be slower.
So there is a decision of the site, which one they want to priority, what they have, the resources. So everything they have to consider, even though maybe they can't use that, they use this. But what is how to manage it? Still, right? They have to consider.
Yes,
They have the option. So that's why it's a very important for them to choose the planning. Yeah, true. So it's good if they have other options which is can more safely, right? So they are peace of mind to think about the what they call the progress conflict or what. Okay. Okay. So what happened this one? Two workers crushed to death in KL construction site. Is it why? Because of concrete slabs on the 15 floors. What happened? Formwork structure collapse.
Yeah.
You see how this happened? Always they mention, is the responsibility of employers and workers ensures. Always say like that, but sometimes okay, later I will ask you or I will ask you questions. Later. I have pool. So we will go see other slide later on. Okay. But still happen the accident. So this one sorry, I off. Oh my. Okay, wait. Maybe this one we can see also what happened this one. 5 cars. Damage due to
Complete block under compress.
this one I think when oh latest January okay, after concrete block fell. Oh, see. Okay. Oh, what happened to the insurance? Is it covered? I don't know.
No,
No?
covered.
Oh my
It's
goodness.
not a parking space, right?
normally the client will pay lah for this.
Hope so. Okay. So if not, they have to fight. But fight also costly, time, money. Okay, so what happened this one? 7th floor, under construction. PPR project, is it?
Yes.
Jelati PPR project. So this one, that's why sometimes very critical at site. Not only their workers but public also. We face this kind of effect. I mean the impact of the poor safety management. So Malaysia was still like lack of I can say that not like other, not like Singapore. Singapore different. They yeah, people might say that, oh, it's a small country, but still small country, if they don't care, still happen. Okay, one construction worker killed, pillar collapse. So for your information, those who are our foreign students, our construction site, for your information, many of them, the labor are from foreign countries, not the locals who are working. They are from Indonesian, from Bangladeshi, from Vietnam's maybe. Where else? Pakistani, is it? Where else?
Nepal,
Many
Nepal.
Myanmar,
Philippines.
Philippines, but most of them are from Bangladeshi and also Indonesia. This is the majority, and we have the rest from the neighborhood countries. So they are the one who always at our construction site. Okay, so maybe because of they are not local, so sometimes the management or they are, I mean, not really concerned, because they are not a local people. Imagine if happen to local, maybe they might go and not consider. I mean, very strict on this. I'm not sure. Looks like that. Okay. And then this one, in Penang, electrocution. Also, if you don't, I mean, ignorance on what is going on outside, it can be harm to yourself. Welding, just electrocute from the electricity is the impact. Okay, even though it's not a major cause, but electrocute once it happen, die. Okay. So these things sometimes maybe the awareness or they overload work. Sometimes they forgot everything.
Doctor, the problem
Is
at
that
sites
Hmm.
for me because of unskilled foreign workers.
Ya
Yes,
ke?
yeah.
No, they are skilled worker. Trust me, they are. They
I
are
I
skilled
I
worker.
always facing this issue, not only about safety, it
Ah.
also about their quality of works.
Maybe
So
they want the new
so
worker.
they contribute for me the main factor of the incidents. Beside of client try to cut costs and everything.
Later I ask questions. Is it true or not? Is a cause of accident, okay? You said they are unskilled worker. Okay. Doesn't matter you are skilled or unskilled. But if you are considered safety, you the safety culture is very important actually. Okay. So yeah, good point, but not the only factors. Okay. All right, so types of construction project. I give example already. So how many types of construction project? Can everyone see the slide?
Yeah.
1, 3, 4, 5. 5.
Why?
Oh, sorry.
5.
5. Okay, 5. 65? Oh, you read the
Seven.
point, the point. Okay, not the photos. Okay. No, there is many types of construction project. More than that, I think. More than that, the one I listed. Okay. So this is like examples. So you imagine the construction project have a few types. Okay, not only buildings. So they have many structure. So the complexity of the project will what show how many, is it high risk or not? Okay. So depends on the types of construction projects. So don't think about only buildings. We have infrastructure, we have highway. Okay. So road safety and building safety, which one more high risk? Huh?
Bridge.
Heavy.
Huh? Highway? Highway depends on the highway lah. Is it elevated or not elevated? If the roadway, like this photo, and this one, which one more high risk? This
Heavy.
Mega structure.
mega structure. Where is the mega structure? No, this one, this photo and this photo. Which one is more high risk?
The
High
road.
rise,
The
high
left one.
rise.
For me, it's the road.
High rise, high rise.
Because the left traffic, right? That one.
The live traffic. Okay, there is the risk there, but the most high risk, high rise building. When the client decided to to build the high rise building, they're facing a risk. They face a risk. Okay, the road, yes, they have the live traffic here, and you must have the TPM, traffic plan, management plan, TMP, traffic management plan. So usually this one still manageable, but there is no high rise. Okay, many cases at the construction site accidents due to fall from height.
High rise. High.
Okay, so yeah, so this will have a different risk. Okay, you have so many types. Remember, so don't only on your mind only building. Many students thought only building, especially UG, undergrads. They don't understand the nature yet until they get out to get a job. Then they will understand. They thought that, oh, I thought only construction. No, you have many types of construction project. Okay, so these are the construction accidents, numbers. So if you look at everywhere, the construction site have accident. And why? We need site safety. See? This about I talked to you about the figures. Fall from height is the highest. Second, struck by falling object. Is it? And then?
Overturning vehicle.
And then hit by vehicles as well. Excavation, buried. Many, this one. If they don't consider the shoring, proper shoring, you know. And then the soil collapse. During piling, especially this one. Yes. Electric shock, yes, it happened just now in news. Penang, that one recent, I think. And drowning, how they can drown? The project on the river ke?
Bridge construction, I think.
Bridge construction, or maybe jetty or what. And then fire chemical is less. But this one, you see, fall from height. This one, Malaysia, why fall from height? Do you think this data the same with other countries? The same? The same, I mean, causes of fatal acid. This one, they die because of what, Is it? Do you think it's the same with other countries? Sama ke?
Not sure.
Depend on the construction itself.
Depends on the development of the countries. If they are decided a lot of high-rise building, of course, this will be the highest numbers. Okay? So Malaysia is one of the craziest country who are looking only for the high-rise building. Okay. Can you tell me? Can you tell me any of our neighborhood countries does not have high-rise building?
Brunei,
Good. Brunei. Why?
restriction from istana.
Yes, true. From the istana, you can't go far further than the istana
Palace.
height. Palace. Sorry.
Yeah, minaret.
But there is only one, I think, the building highest, I think. 14 floors or how many floors? The Ministry of
Government. Yeah.
the government building, Ministry of Finance, I think. Only one. Only one, not many. Just one, I think. Okay, so Brunei, why Brunei rich country they can opt for no high-rise building? Why we are not the rich country, we are crazy on the high-rise building? So think about it. Politic issues, okay? Don't talk it. Okay, so yeah, what to do? All right, if I become a prime minister, so I will decide it. No. No for development. We just live as a normal human being. That's it.
Doctor, can I respond? Why Malaysia have more skyscraper? Because our development more centric to the Klang Valley. That's why developer or government like to build highest tower in KL. They doesn't want to make their HQ or office maybe at Seremban or Nilai. That's why.
We have other big city also.
Yeah, but most Malaysia like the development is centric into Klang Valley.
No, I mean they can decide to make it lower bidding, not necessary for the high-rise building.
Yeah, but in terms of cost and profit, margin profit, yeah, rugi.
That's the thing. And can you imagine? Is it our building all are fully occupied?
No.
Yeah, no. Why? There is so many ghost city or ghost building. But still, why they want to build it? It's not necessary, Bon. It's nothing. But why they insisted to build? I have no idea. You see in Johor, what happened? Forest City.
Abandoned.
They build, but they don't look at the future. I have no idea. It's not necessary. They are crazy. Sometimes it's for the benefit, on benefit. These are political issues. It's none of, they must have benefit. They allow the investor to do that with the something.
Agreed.
So if you are decided, no, I don't want my area have more than 5 floors. The marginal decided. The authority can decide it.
Then the investment doesn't want to come in our country.
But yeah, it's still okay if they don't come also. We still can survive. We don't need them. I mean, it's too much lah. I mean, too much for Malaysia. Why you just see why Brunei can decide like that? You can develop without what they call this one. They have intention in many ways. Okay, they have many kepala kan, many people. So all like everyone want so they jadi more lah. We have so many ministry kan. Too much, I think. Too much. Okay, so this one we cannot run away. We are already here. So we face it. Face it. Okay. No matter how safety have to be considered. Doesn't matter you decided at all or what, but yes, what to do? Okay, but it's a less risk if you are the client decided to have a low rise building, it will be low risk. Okay, that's it. Okay, so common construction accident. This one. Too many, but there is a more specific why accidents happen. Later I ask you maybe. Wait, let me ask a pool. This one I show many, right? But actually there is an answer. So I want to launch this one. Can everyone answer this one? Even though I show the slide. Can see the pool?
Yes.
Yeah.
One multiple, so you can answer more than one. How accident is happen?
All of it.
Mm, there is only what they call fundamental behind of the accident happen. Of course, all of it, but there's only this thing happen. You can choose, and I will explain to you. They said the question is how accident is happen. Okay. Okay, done. 17. 17? We have how many? 27 or full house, 21. Okay. I want to see the highest numbers. Not 22. Not yet everyone answer. Where's the other 5 students? Sleeping already? Waiting for sahur? Yeah.
Tarawih.
Oh, tarawih.
Yeah.
More.
More. 3 more. Okay. If you look at the screen, everyone can see the figure, right?
Yeah.
So now we see unsafe environment and unsafe act. Many of you answered these two. The answer, yes, these two. Unsafe act. Either, okay, the accident will happen either these two. This is the key, I'm talking about the key. The rest is only a factors. Okay, even though you have a management pressure, if you're not doing unsafe act, the accident won't happen. You got what I mean? If you have unsafe working team, but if you are not in the situation of unsafe act or unsafe environment, the accident won't happen. What we mean by unsafe act? Okay, the accident happen when the person, okay, the workers, we talk about the workers, they are misact doing something, right? Accident will happen. Either one. It can be unsafe act and environment together, or it can be either one. Only these two factors are the key when the accident happen. It won't happen if you are doing on the right environment. Okay, I mean, for example, there is a hole or what, right? The accident won't happen, right?
Yeah.
Nobody will fail or what. And if there is no open space, high-rise building, there is an open space, correct? Without barrier. The floors, okay? So it's already create unsafe environment. Accident will be happen at any time. That's why if you look at the construction site, they have a new technology. I have no idea either you guys are familiar or not. Last time we are using safety net, correct? But
Yeah,
now
correct.
we are using what?
SCP.
Huh?
SCP.
What is that?
Self-climbing platform.
Self-climbing platform. Can you explain to them what is the self-climbing platform? Okay, there is so many terms, So one of it, they said self-climbing platform. How it works? Who answered this one? Hayati,
Fatia.
Fatia, okay. The same name. So Fatia, do you want to talk about it? Anyone anyone have seen about a self-climbing platform? If you look at the building,
Yeah,
now,
they use the what we call hydraulic
ah,
mechanical lifting.
yes, and then there is the covered parameter for the whole building, the whole structure. They have covered, so the worker will feel like in-house. They are not exposed to happening. Okay, so when you are doing work, okay, you are feel safe. There is the new technology they are bring. I think most use it from Australia, and they bring here. Malaysia now adopt that technology to be more safe. Okay, because of we are exposure to, but it's costly. It's quite costly, but it's safe. Okay, rather than only safety net. Okay, so you can Google. Okay, that things, and if we have time, I will show. Okay. So, okay, good, So you guys answer this one. It's true, These two things. And the rest is just a other factor. Okay, so Dosh. Dosh already always enforce us about this issue. Okay, I'm not sure other country like China, Philippines. How is your situation, a safety construction? I believe China maybe it's not about safety, but they are into the technology. So your technology is very safely already, like only precast. You like a Lego, right? Your construction, just like bring and mix what install only, right? Correct, Heavy.
Yes, doctor.
So your construction site is quite safe.
Uh,
Not sure.
it's not quite safe for my construction site, and have some small accident have occurred, but no dead man. Just a small
Okay.
accident. For instance, a burning or a small collapse, but not injured and man dead. Doctor, I want to know that the compensation for a dead man at construction site in Malaysia, in our country, 800,000 approximately. So I want to know
800? 800?
800,000 RMB.
800,000 equal to
Yeah,
how much dollars?
approximately.
They want money. So how about in
About
USD?
about about uh, uh, about 400,000 range. In our country, for a dead man, approximately as compensate 800,000 RMB.
That
Approximately 400
okay.
range.
It's about 500,000 ringgit. If we
Yes.
compare, it's about 500,000. Okay, that is the issues. You can see here on the slide now. Even though
Oh,
you are the fine, only 50,000, not exceeding
Hmm.
50,000. Okay.
the
It,
price except insurance paid.
yeah. Actually, it's not, that's why we have to amend our act because the fine is very low. Because that one during 1994 figure, you know, they don't even revise the fined amount. Okay, that's why nowadays they increase the numbers of fine so that people will scared. I mean, the company will be scared to not comply the safety. Okay, they are more conscious on that. Okay, because the number is too low. I mean, the amount is too low. Okay, which is the China really high fine. You know, it's very high. It's about 500,000 ringgit. It's a lot. That's what they want to do because I think they learn also from other country. They are really putting the fine figure is very high. If not, they will do again because this one's very small amount. This figure is during 1994. They not even revised. So now the new coming act, they will the main amendment is this one, the amount of the fine. We will increase more. It could be until 100,000. Yes. Yeah.
Doctor, if the construction company have paid
Insurance.
the compensation, can avoid penalty.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yes.
I
And then
see.
we do have actually now is mandatory for us to have for the workers also. We do have the protection. Yeah, we do have. But still, last time it's not for the foreign. Now we have per caso, we call SOCSO. Okay, so this body, they are compulsory for the foreign to be be protected with the scheme. Yeah. Okay. Oh, not yet,
Thank you, Doctor.
You said 10:30, We have other things I want to share. Okay, just a quick one. Yeah, I just want to focus on the safety and health in the construction industry to get overview, and some of it the information covered for your topic, so you will get the idea what I'm talking about. Okay. Before I show this one, there is a workplace fatal accident statistic. Okay. The total numbers is fatal accident means death. So can I ask you? I show to you the pool. Can you answer this one? Fatal accident statistic. Okay, which sector is recorded the highest fatal accident? We are talking about fatal accident, not only accidents. Fatal mean die. The workers.
Is recorded.
I want to see the rank and the yeah, which one is the highest? And maybe can see also second highest. So is it possible? It depends on the response. It's okay. Hurry up, quick. We have manufacturing, we have construction, we have logistics and transport, business, service and retail trades, we have agricultural and mining and others. Actually, for the OSHA, they have to cover 10 sectors. Okay. The group will have to present which what sectors they are covered to comply the safety. They have in table 1, I think, in the act under OSHA. Okay, then few more. Okay, so many of you answer construction. How still have a few say logistic, agriculture. The highest fatal accident, okay. Thank you for your response. And the second one, many of you answer manufacturing. Thank you very much. So we look at the, yes, it's a construction. Yes, it's a construction. But okay, let me show you the other numbers. So this one in 2019, if you can see the numbers also goes to construction and manufacturing. You see second one, right? Manufacturing. So construction and manufacturing is critical in this sector. And even the latest one, 2023, even though the numbers are reduced, but still, these two sector. Okay, I want to ask you why. Wait. Why this sector? Okay, why construction sector is the highest record? We see already the data. And it shows is the construction always the highest fatal accident. But why? So I highlight here there because of nature of the work, foreign workers, lack of safety culture, poor safety management. But there is one of the main factors contribute to this record. Why it happened. Okay. Done? Okay, 20 of you. 21. Okay. All right. Okay, done. So many of you answer lack of safety culture. Okay. If you are talking about lack of safety culture, other sector also. Why not other sector is record highest recorded? I mean highest record. Poor safety management. For worker, no. Okay. So the answer is nature of work. Why? Okay, we are talking about fatal accident. If you know how is the nature work of construction, and you look at the figure also manufacturing. Actually, the numbers of accident, accident and fatal accident different. Accident means accident happened, but it's no fatal. It might be injury and so on. Okay, the highest numbers of accident happen is actually at manufacturing compared to construction. Okay, but the construction have the highest fatal accident, which means that if they have the accident, the workers die. Okay, so why? What is the main reason behind that? How is the nature of the work of the construction site? Can anyone tell me? Compare the manufacturing. Manufacturing.
Hectic.
Sorry?
Hectic.
Hectic. Is it nature? Oh, okay.
Or heavy equipment.
Okay. Heavy equipment? Manufacturing also have heavy equipment? No?
Working long hours.
Operation.
Operation?
Machine operate.
Okay. If you have the construction site.
Weather, hot weather.
Okay.
Open space.
The environment, the space.
Okay. So many. Okay. Okay, imagine you have the project. I'm not sure.
Working power.
I'm not sure any one of you have involved the construction project start from zero until the end. If you experience it, I think you may see what is the difference between other sector.
Mm.
From 0 until
Stress.
hey.
No,
It's not about
the site environment, like
ah
the factory is more organized area
yes.
compared to the site. The site is very messy sometimes.
Yes, yes, true. Okay, because of that, okay, manufacturing is already being designed. And then day one you go to manufacturing until the end, retired, it will be the same. True or not? The plant, the what? Okay, section A, B, C, D, the same. Unless they want to come out new product, maybe they have to reorganize the layout. Correct? The manufacturing is a very well planning workplace. But construction, they are changing every
Dynamic.
time.
Every piece.
Yes or no?
Yes, yes.
Yes,
Can you
again.
imagine?
Yes.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay. So we
Yes.
call as a dynamic work environment. Yes?
Right.
That's why their risk, okay, they record the highest accident, fatal accident, not accident, the highest accident manufacturing. Why? Because they are using machineries and they are exposed a lot of risk of accident. But they are not die. I mean that they are like maybe lost hand, lost finger, lost, you know, lost everything in the body. But they are not dead, not until die. Correct? Many,
Yes.
right? Many injured accident manufacturing. But the construction, the nature of work, they want, you see, they are excavate first. Maybe site
Yeah.
clearance and so on, and you expose with the machineries, and some of them will be crushed with the machineries, and some of them will be collapsed with the soil for the first day. And the second, the next month, they already start the piling. Another machine, different machine use, right? And another next month, they start the basement. And they start what? The second floor, third floor, and become more high risk afterwards. So that's why the construction, they are trying to design as a manufacturing. That's why they are implement the construction method delivery, for example, like IBS, precast concrete, correct? To make it less risk. So they are no longer cast in situ, which is some of the worker might be done with the concrete. Correct? So it's a risk. So the construction site is a very high risk. That's why this is why the reason, okay, behind it. Clear? We try to see other things. It's only that things. The nature is totally different. I mean, keep changing. Okay, not like manufacturing static. Okay, because of that and the very high risk actually. Clear? Okay. There is one website you can have a look. This one. It's quite interesting. Timeline actually. You can Google, okay, and then see the website. I just snapshot a few. Okay, it's not only in Malaysia, but many other countries also having the same issue since long time ago. Okay, so I just snapshot a bit about other projects. Okay, in the US, okay, in Taipei, Taiwan, and even this one, if you look at the numbers, Qatar World Cup last time, okay, the project is this one because of mass project. So many numbers of workers, but the figures is too high. Okay.
But they hide.
Huh? And it's not even, I think if you look at the recent website, I think they keep updating. I think it's not 4,000 now. It's more than that. This one for the World Cup last time, right? 2022. So actually the infrastructure, everything is full of that. Okay. So horror. Okay. So this like they also have the politic issues, I think this one. Okay. I mean just neglect the safety. Okay. This one, I think I give overview. So maybe some of you will be highlight maybe, okay, later on about the occupational safety in Malaysia. Actually, we are under Ministry of
Work.
Kesuma.
Kesuma. Oh, change ah?
Yeah,
Sumber.
new acronym.
Okay, new acronym. Okay.
Bermanusia.
So I'm not updated this one, okay? This one in English ah. So in English the different ah. Okay. So this one we have Department Occupational Safety and Health under this ministry, okay? Make sure you know that. And we have a few statutory bodies that also part of it involve the safety, okay? What is the difference between NIOSH and DOSH? Anyone?
NIOSH is institute.
Yeah. Everyone knows the institute. So what? DOSH is the department. So what's the difference?
Run and
DOS regulator department.
Okay.
Regulatory department. NIOSH more to
NIOSH
the
like provide training.
Training provider. Provide this competent, produce the competent person.
yeah.
But must be registered under DOSH after you be one of the competent person. Training provider, Okay, so this one is a chart of DOSH. Okay, some overview. I don't want to go further. You go study first, okay? Any one of you. Okay, I mean the team member group who involved with the regulation and so on. You might show this thing. Okay. Like this one. Okay. These are the act that we in Malaysia, we have this. So maybe other countries you might share during the presentation for other group who present about OSHA and also FMA. Please, Andy, Hewe, who else? Misa or Misa? We have another one from Libya. Can you tell us next during that session, what is your safety law have been used in your country? Okay? Can find out, okay? Share with us at that time. Okay, remind me to ask them, Later I forgot. Remind me. So you go study and tell us. In Malaysia, we use these three. Okay, basically. Under DOSH. Okay, this one is direct to DOSH enforcement, this one.
The DOSH is Malaysia construction laws.
DOSH? Sorry?
DOSH is a law of Malaysia construction. Malaysia construction law is
No,
DOSH.
not only the construction. Under DOSH authority, they have 10 sectors, 10 industry. Okay, so including construction. All right, so you will listen from the group, okay, the topic for OSHA, okay, about the regulation in Malaysia. Okay, what the DOSH covered. It's not only construction. Construction is one of it, one of their authority. They also have to monitor safety in manufacturing. Okay, they have also monitor, like the list of the one that I listed just now, mining, agriculture, they have to monitor the safety. I mean, they are the enforcer. Okay? DOSH. Okay, not only construction. There is one body focus on construction. I'm waiting for that team to explain to us. Okay, we wait until week what, OSHA?
next week.
Next week. Next week. Hey, wait for it. We listen to your team. I mean to your member colleagues to present, okay? You ask them.
Please say we don't ask too much, okay?
Don't ask too much. You wait the question. Ask them, okay? Next week, we will learn about it. Who is Dosh? Who is Dosh? Okay. All right. So
Please.
this the hierarchy of legislation. Now I already give you some overview, right? First is act. So with act, you can do you have power. Okay. So those have powers. Okay. Without act, then you can't bring to the court. Okay. And second, followed by regulations and order. These three are legally bound, but they have a few code of practice and also guideline. It's just a voluntary. If you are not comply, it's okay. You just use the best practice. But this one, you must comply. Okay. All right. Bowek team. You see how many?
So many.
So many. That's why I said to you, if you are creative, maybe you can group it. Easy for you to explain. Okay, categorize it. I'm not sure. Okay, to make it easier. All right. So these are under BOEC. They have the regulations, and actually it's quite specific. So you might this team, okay, FMA, you might compare what is the difference between OSHA and FMA, maybe. Okay. What is the
Oh.
difference? The act. Right? I'm waiting for it. So this is the building operation and works of engineering construction, which is a really specific regulation in FMA, factory and machineries, 1987. 1980? 1967.
7. Yeah,
1967.
But BOEC comes in 1986.
18.
So they are being amended. Okay? Under FMA. And why it become like that? There is a history behind that. Okay. So, process of risk management. This is what I will teach you. Okay, I just give you overview. Okay, you must get ready. What is H? H is hazard. I is what?
Risk.
Identify hazard identification. Okay, R is risk assessment. RA. And then RC is risk control. So these three things you have to cover. Okay. There is a what they call a template or what. Okay, there's so many different template or different way of analyze the hierarchy. Okay, I just give you overview. Okay, this one has it. So I will brief you more detail during topic 8 for your project. Okay. So what is the hazard? I already give you here. So please do your study, okay, to know about what is the hazard. I will brief you detail during that topic. But I already give you the overview. Okay, you have to understand the source of hazard. Okay, since I touched already, I want to ask, hazard and danger, is it the same?
No.
What is the difference? Danger.
Hazard by human.
Hazard by human? Danger? By what?
By environment.
Okay, yeah. Not really. You can see the statement here. Okay. Hazard, where there is a hazard, there is the danger. Comes later. You got what I mean? If there is a hazard, the danger will appear. Bahaya, you see the signage, danger. You got what I mean? The danger will come. The danger will come after you found out the hazard.
So hazard is something like potentially
Yeah.
can cause harm.
Yeah, the statement is here. There is the answer, but many of you still can't really understand what is the hazard, figure it out. Okay, I will briefly explain to you during that topic. Okay, just get the idea first. This is what I will brief you more on topic 8. Okay, that you have this one category. Okay, this one you have to learn and how to calculate
Can
and
you
how to control. Okay, all right. So I just want to show you the accident during construction. You see this one is
CCTV
happened
mall.
last time, public user.
Setia Alam, right?
True? Klang. I think Setia Alam, yeah. 2016. This one is quite horrific, The tragedy, like, can you imagine you're driving and then suddenly crane on top of you?
Tower crane.
Can you imagine? And totally crash like that. Okay, so that's why it's better to not construct anything. Just live in the village. Okay. All right. So look at this. Mid Valley also happen. This one. These are people. There
Yeah.
being trapped.
Worker.
Worker being trapped. You see. This one. Last time under construction. This one. The Garden Shopping Mall. I don't know. Have you been to many malls here? We have so many malls in Malaysia. Have you been to the Gardens, Mid Valley Shopping Mall? Mid Valley. Who's here? Andy already in KL?
Yes, doctor.
Have you been to Mid Valley?
Yes, doctor.
Have you seen this bridge? I don't know.
Yeah.
KL.
Yeah.
So last time they have accidents here, and they have to rebuild, I think. Okay, because it's totally collapsed. This one. Okay, happened. One that, and this one. MRT. Project. This one. Anwar's project. But this one elevated, not the tunnel one. So what
Yeah,
happened?
they crashed 5 person under the beam. It's all flat.
Yeah. So it still happen even though you are, because that's why we call accident. If sometime even though you already have a good safety, accident will happen, but at least you reduce the risk maybe. Okay. But this one, they said like actually they can opt for a permanent structure rather than temporary structure. There is some of the connector is not strong, or the strength is not too can cover this span, so it can fail, something like that. So the decision also is important.
The words of incident and accident is totally different, right?
Yeah. So what
Is
is the difference? Any different? The accidents, the incidents. Try to figure it out. What is the difference? Okay. But usually the accident is when the accidents happen. It's an accident, right?
unplanned.
Unplanned?
Yeah.
Oh,
Accident
it
is
didn't plan. Okay. Okay. Figure it out. Okay. Share with us. I would like to know.
Incident after the accident happened.
Incident after the accident happened. Wow. Okay. How? You mean there is a follow-up accident?
No, means that you can say that the incident that happened before the incident.
You mean past tense?
No, means that you refer to what the accident, the incident refer to accident.
Oh, okay. Figure it out. I'm not sure. Okay. I also not sure. There's many assumption. See, incident is unwanted situation, and then you want to say accident is a wanted situation, Andy?
I think like accident is something that can make injury.
Huh?
Is it
Sorry,
the
sorry.
accident?
Okay.
An accident is something like that can make injury or harm, or maybe incident almost to
Okay.
get that injury.
Okay, thank you. Okay.
Fatia, your sound like
mic,
when you
yeah.
talk, your mic not clear.
Yeah,
Got
but
another sound.
Ya ke?
yeah.
Uh,
But yes, that idea is there. Okay, he said that accident when it's happened is involve the injury, okay, or damage to the property and many things. It causes something, but incident seems like a near miss accident. They said, okay, that's what she meant. Okay, she means that an incident happened, but it's not involve the any cause. Is it like that?
Yes, yes.
Mm.
That is what I mean.
Okay, so
Thank you, Doctor.
many assumption, right? Figure it out. Or those who are under topic 7, I think, give
Yeah.
them the task to explain. Okay, make it clear. There is so many assumption that I have heard. Okay, even though me, I cannot agree 100%, but there is so many assumption. Please, team topic 7, construction site safety, I think. Right? Safety. Okay, figure it out. We are waiting for your answer. Okay, for the answer. Thank you for all the feedbacks. Many input. Oh, thank you. Finally. You want to finish before 11 or 10:30? Okay. So it's just overview about the topic itself. So any questions? Can everyone turn on the camera so that I can screenshot? Did you ask a question just now, everyone? Already more than 2? Is it?
Yes, more than 2 already.
Yeah ke?
a lot of question, I think.
Oh, really? I thought realize one. I don't realize.
Because you enjoy it question.
Oh, okay. I thought it's not a question, it's like a discussion.
Oh,
Okay. So any other question, please? Photo. I want to screenshot the photo.
Doc,
Yes.
dear doctor,
Yes. Maybe.
I have a query about relationship from construction site management and construction safety management. As you said at the beginning in the lesson, you said the two management is different. It's different. So from my perspective, the relationship is between inclusion and inclusion. Another hand, the construction safety management is concluded construction site management, right?
Yes, correct. Very good, Harry. You very understand. Yes, true what you said. The construction safety management is the subset of the construction site management. True, okay? That's why I say it's totally different because the way you manage that things. But actually, the safety management is subset under construction site management. Site management is the whole. And construction safety management is one portion of the site management. Yes, very good. That's what I want. This is what I want.
Thanks.
Okay, you can
Thank you,
think more
doctor.
than that. Okay, thank you, Harry. Yeah.
Thank you, doctor.
Okay. Yes, that is the things. Okay, true. Subset. Okay, clear, everyone. Think, okay? Yeah, Harry, very good. All right. So any other things or doubt? No, I want to screenshot. Where's the rest? Tidur dah. Sleep already? Fariha, Fatia, Ajila. Where are you? Huh. Okay, one. Amiza, where's the Amiza? Where's Danish? Where Esther? Okay, one. Esther? Oh, you have two, eh? Okay, okay, okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay, the next. Shoot. I don't know why they have two screen meaning. Okay, 1, 2, 3. All right. Okay. So if no more question, we will see you again next week. Next week, is it still right? With the first group. Present. The first one, Osha.
Doctor,
Yeah.
when can we submit our slide?
I said before you present.
So a day before present can?
No, actually, after you present also can. Surprise.
Oh, okay. So
Mm.
submit after present lah.
But do you need to check that our slide first before the present? No need.
I don't care. I just want to give a mark. I don't care. I want surprise too. Okay.
Later we will give like wrong information about the OSHA and then how?
Nasib lah. What to do? I already briefed to you just now. You can get the idea already. I talk it. I mean, I already talked about it, right? I mean, I go through every each topic, what we expect from you. This should be okay. No problem. It's a learning process. There is no right or wrong. Okay, we learn also from the mistake. If it's wrong, also it's okay. I don't mind. I love wrong. I love to be wrong. Otherwise, I don't learn. True. Yes?
Okay,
Right?
doctor, but the
The
mark.
mark.
How
Yes.
about the mark?
Okay.
If
The
wrong, how
mark.
about the mark?
Okay, when talk about the mark, it's your rezeki lah. If though you already work hard, nasib lah kan. It depends. Tapi so far no fail lah. Okay, no worries. So far no fail. It's okay.
But the slide also contribute for the mark.
Yes, it is. Very much. Oh, okay. Since you said about I think you can see the other group, right? Your senior group slide, right?
No.
No.
In
Don't
the
have.
U future.
In the near future, which one?
Yeah, they have. But don't copy the content, eh? It's not everything what they did is correct. So they have many ways to present. Have. Tak ada eh? Okay, I show to you.
Tak ada pun.
Yes.
I saw the slide with the
Which
someone,
one?
but we don't know who actually.
How? The group. I mentioned group slide, right? No? Is it?
In the U future, some slide is with not your name.
Yeah, not my name.
So that
That-
means
If
from
there
the
is
And student slide, Doctor.
ada, right? Have right?
Yes, student slide, yeah.
Have doctor.
Yes. I make you, I kantoi lah ni. So I give you the, I already like telling you. But there is so many ways to present. That's why I like to see. I can capture if you are using the senior slide or what. Don't play with me. I will terus deduct your mark. Okay. So I like the presentation who are less wording, like I said. Let me show it to you.
I still don't get it. Where we can get the previous slide, the
Ask your
previous like
friends.
hours.
Ask your friends. They can find it. Right? Everyone find it, right? Okay, I show to you example.
FMA.
FMA chapter 4.
FMA slide. Example.
Okay. But I didn't tell you which one I like. So if you are follow exactly nasib not all okay. Not all are okay. Okay, where this one example. what they prepared. Oh, this one for the quality, chapter 4. When you saw,
Alah, OSHA lah.
yeah, they have, you can find. Okay, if you saw there is a name of the student, meaning they are this from the senior, from your senior. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So you can see this what they presented, which is I don't like this.
Because too much wording.
Yes, I prefer figure. I prefer infographic. I prefer how
So like this okay lah.
No, not okay.
Mine no okay.
Not okay. I said this one I don't like it. I just show example. Wait, let me find
This
which
one
one.
is okay.
Because too much words.
Yeah, too much word. I don't like. This one also about OSHA, you see?
Oh, this one not okay.
Not okay, not okay. No, no. Okay, I show my slide because none of them can follow my taste. I show my slide. Just now I presented, okay, like that, okay, there's only a little bit, but you have to see my slide, okay? My project slide, I cannot show you the, what they call, the lesson one because I already show. So I show my way.
OSHA.
Not OSHA. OSHA. Okay. I show how I design. So I give you idea. You can use Canva, the most easiest. Okay. If you know how to use Canva, please use it. Okay. This is all my slide. So my slide, I prefer, for example, I show one of it lah. My project. Can everyone see it?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. So this is one of the project I got for DOSH. The amount is 300,000. It's about hazard study effective solution towards new technology advanced my from 1.0. Okay. So you look at how I come up with the slide.
More infographic.
I make it one by one, You got what I mean?
Yes.
So you must, they have a word, so you can put a word, but this one also I draw the flow and so on. I make it, I didn't like copy paste and put up. No, there is no copy paste. No, you have to do the graph again or what. This one also. This one the result and discussion and so on. So many lah. Okay, this one some of the research assistant also make it. So I don't like it. This one let me, the one that I really 100% design. Like this one. This is another project with DOSH also. I have so many projects with DOSH. Okay, because of my slide and my report, they offer us another project. So it will be impactful. So the way you present, you must be unique. I don't know.
Creative.
See? You see the chart. You have to design your chart also. Okay. Still have to, you cannot avoid sometimes you have to deliver the words, right? Because sometimes the government, they want to see the really specific information. You still have to show, but at least not all. You can minimize. Okay. Like this one, infographic, right?
Yeah.
I don't like all wording. Okay, my report, I show you how I prepare my report. So that's what I expect for your high-red report as well. So I show it now, so that you don't have to ask me again and again. So this is my project report for my and British Council project. This one, we've been to Europe, we've been to UK last time for this project. Okay, so you look at how to present. Wait. Mm,
Hold on.
Okay, this one. Look at how I do a report. So you also have to come out this kind of report, like a newsletter. See, this is my report. My team. Can see?
Yep. Yep.
This how the report looks like, not black and white and the common typical report like a research or thesis. I don't like. I like a newsletter. Okay? I give you a hint how you to submit the high-rank report. I think the student have example, their high-rank report. Let me show you. Their high-rank also nice report. Where is it? Group project. Okay, I show it to you the example. Let me stop this. Okay, like this. You see? Because of me, so they have to follow like what I like. Example, okay, but not the best one. Wait. Like this one. You can see the marks there. Like this. This example. High-rank. Okay, clear?
Clear, very creative.
Very creative. That is what I like. There is no longer I
Black
don't
and
know
white.
what kind of gen before.
This.
Now we are what gen? I don't know. Z, G,
Z.
X,
Z.
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 I like Z gen. So please.
I am Gen Z.
Okay. I don't know. I am gen what?
Next one.
Okay. So clear.
Yes, very clear.
Okay. So that is what my expectation. Don't tell that I don't tell you. Don't tell that I didn't tell you what I want, what I like. So please don't make me what they call frustrated. Is it?
Don't catch your passion.
Don't make me frustrated with your presentation because all your senior actually I can see how the first my class, okay, I start teaching 2019 master class this subject it keep improving when I tell them what I like. If I didn't tell, dia jadi macam caca merba, horror terus, so cannot say anything. So I have to tell them what is my benchmark. Then they'll understand what my expectation. Okay, clear
Okay.
Okay, anything else? Good luck for next week presentation. Okay, you will present first. So our class will start at 8 because of Ramadan. Okay. Yeah. So like today also we will okay. Actually our class is 4 hours. Remember? 6 until 10. Okay? So don't say that you want to finish early or what is your what you call responsibility, okay, your commitment. It depends on the lecture. Every day, I mean every week will be different. It depends on the content. It depends on our discussion. It depends on it's flexible. If you want to finish early, also I don't mind, but I prefer we can fulfill our time. I mean, fully utilize our time. But if you think it's enough, it's okay. You can stop, okay? So it depends on how you discuss when the presentation, and also if you don't understand, you want to discuss further, then we can continue. Okay? Because my time is for 4 hours. Your time, up to you guys. I don't care. Okay? So because of Ramadan, we give flexible. Okay, usually my class is extended 4 hours. Means that if 6, usually 10 something, they like to talk, So it depends. Okay, but I don't mind. Okay, I don't mind. Anyway, I don't mind. We live happily. Okay, don't stress. Okay. All right. So if no questions, so we can end, and that's all. Good night. See you guys next week. If anything doubt, then you can ask in the WhatsApp group. Okay. Bye. Take care. Good night. Assalamualaikum.
Thank you, Doctor.
Waalaikumsalam.